Online museum tours. Many museums are doing online tours. People can watch the tours at home. They can watch the tours on their other devices. People can pretend to walk through museums. They can pretend to walk through art exhibits too. Many schools are closed. Many students are staying home. Students are looking for activities to do at home. Students can use online museum tours to learn. What museum would you want to tour? What are museums doing? Races, contests, tours.
Tours.
What can people watch the tours on? Devices, Mars, pools.
Devices.
What can people pretend to walk through? Landfills, museums, car washes.
Museums.